Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw hairs, mustache, beard, mainly hairs. So let's get started friends. For that you are going to need a darker grade pencil. In this case I'm having both 8B and 10B, but today I'm going to use 10B alone. Then if you are having a mono zero eraser, very good, but you don't want to have that. You can substitute it with a normal eraser or a mechanical eraser or even kneadable eraser, but I don't suggest to get these things because these are too costly for a beginner. But if you are having a normal eraser, you are well and good to go, and kneadable eraser too. Then friends, today I'm going to show you how to draw hairs only with pencils, no eraser, no blending, nothing else. For that you are going to need a sharp tip pencil. Keep your pencil always sharp because each and every strokes are so important while drawing hairs, furs, anything like that. So keep your pencil sharp. Then be focused and observe the picture carefully which you're having for the reference, and draw each and every strokes because the flow of hair is very important while drawing hairs with realism, and it want to be clean and the highlights want to be left as it is. Don't think that you can get the same highlight after drawing the whole area because it will not be natural if you are using an mono zero eraser or even an white jelly roll pen. It will not be the same as you are leaving space before drawing itself. Then friends, be slow, don't get urged in this thing because it needs some time and patience. And yeah, as I said, be very slow and patient so you could get superb results. Friends, you can do it. Just think you can do it because we all know how to scribble. This is very nearly to that, but with a lot more precision. As you can see right now friends, this is a pretty much fast tutorial, but you can follow this along because I'm giving every tips you want to draw something. And friends, I have already posted a lot of how to draw videos in this channel. If you haven't watched it yet, all will be in the playlist of how to draw. You can reach it in my profile on my channel and you can watch all those things. Friends, as you're seeing, I'm using the stroke technique. This is the only technique which I'm using a long time till now for drawing hairs. Friends, until your drawing have a complex type of hair or hairstyle, I don't recommend to blend it or using much materials like mono zero eraser or like jelly roll pens or like that. Keep the things so simple. By the way, you could be so better to draw something. As you can see right now friends, I'm drawing it slowly. Please be patient enough to draw something. As we all have already, we are being patient so much because we are doing things and we are creating things, so we are patient enough, but I recommend to be more patient to these things. Friends, control your pen pressure to achieve these type of lighter results. And by the way, you could get some lighter results. You don't need any other pencils right here. Then friends, in these type of areas you want to be so careful because the hairs are not long and you could notice each and every individual hairs, so be careful on those things. Friends, I hope this is pretty much a follow along tutorial. In near future I'll be posting some real-time tutorials too. I'm hoping you'll be finding it good. And friends, I think you are loving these tutorials and other stuffs because I love to share all these things to you. And yeah, maybe I'm talking too much, but it may be helpful at sometimes. Friends, after watching this video, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up first. And yeah, if you like this type of content and if you want to see more of like these content, just subscribe the channel and turn on the post notifications because you could never miss out any videos which I'm posting, friends. And yeah, a reminder, I'll be posting videos on every morning of Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Don't miss out. Please come here. Friends, as you can see now, I'm drawing the mustache right now. The very similar steps, just follow it. You can get the basic and good results here actually. Friends, the picture I'm using for reference is linked down below in description. You can check it. And friends, if you want any materials I'm using, all the materials I'm using was linked down below in description. You can check it out and buy with those links. Slowly, friends, start with light grade pencil if you have, but if you don't have a light grade pencil, just control your pen pressure and draw light strokes, then go with the darker ones, because in beard part it will not be completely dark. Then friends, you have two more methods to get this look more realistic. The number one is using a sharp pencil and drawing individual hairs. As you can see now, I'm going to draw that because this is in the same process. We are not going to we are not want to have any type of new materials for this, and it is good and it is important. So draw individual hairs to get that natural looking thing over your drawing. Then friends, don't have any outlines over your realistic work until you are doing a comic or a cartoon or an anime or like that, anything. Don't have an outline, it will not look realistic. Then friends, as you're seeing right now, I just completed all those things. To level up even more, you can use an mono eraser or a mechanical eraser to erase out some areas to get that highlights, or even like that. As you can see now, this is a zero eraser which I'm having, and you can do like this and get that highlights, but I won't do that until I'm drawing a complex hairstyle. Then friends, that's it for today's, and I hope this tutorial is helping you something to learn. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Bye.